I'm doing a $3 field agent gig at Dollar General. It's for produce, and I think it's going to be really easy because they don't have much produce here. This one took a really long time at Walmart because they had a lot of produce, but I'll screen record it, and then you guys could decide if this is a side hustle you want to do. So this gig is for produce, and I knew that this location wasn't going to have a lot of produce, so I knew it would be quick and easy. So the first one was for apples. So it wanted a picture of every shelf of apples. At the supermarket, this took like 10 minutes because there was a whole bunch of apples, but at this store, there wasn't that many apples, and every question, I just had to take a picture of this one fridge and that one shelf. So it's asking for displays. There was no displays. Now it's asking for peppers. So the peppers was in the same exact fridge. So I'm just zooming out, taking a picture of the peppers. Next one is going to be cucumbers. There wasn't any cucumbers, but there was no way to skip through it. So I just had to take a picture, and stay tuned till the end because I write in the notes. You're allowed to write notes at the end, and I explain it in the notes in the end. So now cucumbers, I got the picture. The next one is going to be for displays. There was no displays, just these two shelves. And now strawberries. Again, the strawberries was in the same cooler, just on a different shelf. There was no displays of any of these. Tomatoes was on this shelf next to the fridge. So that's where they had the non-refrigerated produce and vegetables. And then in the fridge, they had the refrigerated stuff. So the next one is going to ask for salad and salad kits. So they had a couple of bags of lettuce and salad stuff in the fridge. So I got the same picture again. Keep in mind that different stores, the same pay. This one paid the same $3 at Publix, but it took 10 times as long because there was much more products. So now the last question on these shelfograms are going to be just a freestanding display. So just get a picture of any display. So I got that one there. And now once you finish the gig, the next one is please leave any questions or comments. So in the comments here, I'm just writing that there was no pears and some of the stuff was missing and it didn't let me go past. If you write something, most of the time they will approve it. So don't worry if you're looking for a product that's not there. Just continue, take a picture of anything and just make sure you put it into the notes. So let me know in the comments if you think this was worth $3. It took me less than 4 minutes total from parking my car to getting back in my car. And click the link in the description to sign up for Field Agent today.